Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a basic vanilla cake, how to do your layers, how to fill it with buttercream, and then how to do a crumb coat. This is a way to get your cakes prepped if you want to decorate them and do anything special to them. This is the first step before you add any other frosting or decorations. All the recipes and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. Start by baking your favorite vanilla recipe or any cake recipe you like. I'm baking this in a 6-inch pan, evenly distributed my batter, and then I'm going to bake these at 350 for about 45 minutes. What I like to do is use a ruler and a serrated knife to trim off the top. And then I also use that ruler to mark halfway through. And then repeat this with all your cakes. Once I finish cutting all my cakes in half, I placed them on a quarter sheet pan with wax paper and then started soaking them with a simple syrup. It's equal parts sugar and water. This will just allow your cake to stay moist when putting it in and out of the fridge. And now to assemble, I got my cake board, placed some frosting on there, and then put my first layer. Filled my center. You can always put some jellies or any flavoring that you like, some ganache or anything. Just spread this evenly and then place your second layer on this. Spread your frosting evenly again, then place your third layer on there. Again, that center filling. And then place your last layer, and this one I flip upside down so the bottom is on top so you get that flat surface. And then this is where you're going to spread your crumb coat, so you want to put a good amount of frosting on there to reach for the sides and to have some on top. With an offset spatula, just spread it through. And then using a bench scraper to smooth this out, I left a thin layer since you will add more when you do your final coat. And that's how you assemble a cake. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something else, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my recipes, hit the subscribe button as well. Until next time, stay sweet!